I see water moving very rapidly, like a flash flood. Flash flooding is going to begin, and it's going to get worse in Slab City. Go to the safe zone. Go to the safe zone. 14-minute drive. Go southwest, southeast of Weiss. That is the safe zone that you need to travel in, and do not go north, east, northwest. Go southeast, southwest. It's flooding, and your government knows that it's flooding, and of course they're not going to tell the people. But to each his own. It's happening, and it's going to be worse by 2025. CHAR-KANA-GLORY.